Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the essential seasonings that's required in every kitchen. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to make butter chicken using the spices that I got from the Indian grocery store. Whenever I make any chicken recipe, I like to flavor the oil with bay leaves, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves, and sometimes star anise. They enhance the flavor of the recipe. Curry leaves give that aromatic, citrusy, nutty flavor to the recipe. It is used a lot in Indian cuisine. I use ginger garlic paste in all my recipes whenever I make chicken curry, potato curry, egg curry. It gives that nice gingery, garlicky flavor. Add the spices according to your palate. Start off with half a teaspoon and always taste as you go. That's what I always do. Turmeric powder gives a nice earthy, mild, peppery flavor. Also gives that golden yellow color. If you're getting value from this video, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Thank you. Cumin gives a nice smoky flavor. You could also use cumin seeds to flavor the oil before the start of cooking to maximize the flavor. Coriander can be added while cooking, or you could use coriander seeds to flavor the oil as well. Paprika powder adds hotness to the recipe, so just add little by little and taste as you go. I use tamarind concentrate or seedless tamarind when I make lentils or sambar to get that tangy flavor. Just add a little and taste as you go. Curry powder is basically a mix of different spices, so don't add too much of it. Just add a little since you already added garam masala, paprika, turmeric. All of them enhance the flavor, so you don't want to add too much of it. The spices to be overpowering. It's a very hot day here, so I just got myself mango juice. It's very refreshing. Cheers.